Hey there, little artists. I am Samantha.
Hey there, little artists. And I am Alex.
Once again, welcome to our fun-filled drawing and painting adventure. Let's start with F. How about a fish? Let's start by drawing a big, round circle. It's super simple, just a circle. And now, let's add a cute little fin on sides and a tail on back. There you go. I painted blue. Which color you like?
Great job on the fish, Samantha. Now, let's tackle G. How about a girl sketch? Can you guess how we draw a girl sketch? It's super simple, just a circle, then triangle for upper body and then a rectangle for legs, and here we go.
Awesome work, Alex. Next H for house. Next H for house. Can you draw a house beside your fish and girl? Start with a big rectangle and a big triangle on top of it, and some lines on it, and there we go. I painted red and blue. Which color you like?
Great job with the H for house, Samantha. I for igloo. First draw half circle and then draw lines horizontally, and here we go. I paint blue color. Which color you like?
Awesome work, Alex. J for jam. I like jam, my mom make for me. My mom makes strawberry jam for me, and of course it is red color. Which jam do you like?
It's fabulous, Samantha. K for kite. Let's start by drawing a big, square kite. It's super simple, just a square. And now, let's tilt on both sides. There you go. I painted with yellow and pink colors. Which color you like greater than?
Awesome work, Alex. I see some fantastic igloo and jam taking shape. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about having fun. Friends. L for leaf. Can you draw a green leaf beside your igloo, jam, and kite? I paint green color and make eyes. Do you like my leaf?
Another nice one. Now, let's move on to M is for mango. I love mangoes. They are so delicious and juicy. Do you like mangoes? I paint yellow color and make eyes like Samantha. It makes mangoes more sweet.
Nice job, Alex, and your mangoes are so sweet. Now, let's move on to N. N is for newspaper. My dad read the newspaper. Hey, little artists. Share your drawings with us. What colors did you use for your igloo, jam, kite, and leaf? We'd love to see your masterpieces. Wow, look at our masterpiece. I for igloo, J for yummy jam, K for colorful kite, and L for leaf. M for yummy mango, and the last my dad favorite newspaper. We did an amazing job today, Alex.
Absolutely, Samantha. Now let's move to O. O for orange. Fresh juicy orange. Let's start by drawing a big, round orange. It's super simple, just a circle. And now, let's add a cute little stem on top. There you go.
Awesome, Alex. P for pencil. Let's start by drawing a big, rectangle pencil. It's super simple, just a rectangle. And now, let's add some lines on it. There you go.
Great job on the pencil, Samantha. Now, let's move on to Q. Q is for question mark.
R for ruler. Can you guess how we draw a ruler? That's right, it's a big rectangle. Draw a rectangle ruler right next to your question mark.
Awesome, Samantha. S for sun. Can you guess how we draw sun? That's right, it's a big circle.
Awesome, Alex. Can you guess how we draw a tomato? That's right, it's a big circle. Wow, look at our masterpiece. P for pencil, O for orange, Q for question mark, R for ruler, S for sun, and T for tomato. We did an amazing job today, eh?
U for umbrella. Do you know how to draw umbrella? Draw a half circle and give it shape from bottom. And for holding stick upside down the letter J, there you go.
Hey, little artists! Share your drawings with us. What colors did you use for your xylophone, van, umbrella, wheel and zero? Yellow color, of course yellow. We'd love to see your masterpieces. V for van.
W for wheel. Do you know how to draw a wheel? That's right, draw a circle and here we go.
Good job, Alex. X for xylophone. Do you know how to draw xylophone? Super simple, start with big rectangle and gradually decrease their length, here we go.
Great job with the xylophone, Samantha. Y for yellow color. We draw here a yellow square.
Good job, Alex. We reached the end, Z0, hider little learner, we did it. We paint zero green, which color you like?
Wow, look at our masterpiece. U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yellow color and Z for zero. We did an amazing job today, Samantha. Keep drawing, keep painting, and most importantly, keep having fun.
Until now, bye bye.
Until now, bye bye.